So class 7th, today I will discuss regarding directive principles. So for second principle is general principle. Today I will discuss a few other such principles listed in the section of the constitution of the are as follows. The government shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and safeguard the forests and wildlife of the country, provide free legal aid to the poor, uphold human dignity by introducing a uniform civil code for the section for all sections of the society, and the laws relating to social practices like marriage and divorce will be the same for the all citizens. Protect the places and things of national importance from harm and destruction. Promote international peace and security. Promote and concept of peaceful coexistence among the nations and work towards the settlements of dispute through negotiation, dialogue and arbitration. Arbitration means the hearing and determining of a dispute. The hearing and determining of a dispute. Honor international laws and treaties. Implementation of directive principles. We have come a long way since independence. Some of the provisions of the directive principles relating to social equality and justice have been resolved through various provisions. Some of these listed below. Some seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the government services and educational institutions. Untouchability is now an offence punishable by law. Primary education has been made free and compulsory in all government-owned and government-aided schools. The government has also taken measures to encourage cottage and small-scale industries. In order to promote participation of the people at the lowest levels of government, the Panchayati Raj system has been implemented all over the country. These takes democracy and the grassroots of Indian society, that is to say the villages. Okay? To improve economic welfare by abolishing the Jamindari system. Some states have passed land laws for the redistribution of the surplus land among the landless poor. To improve the working conditions of a factory, the minimum wages have been legally fixed on the basis of equal pay for equal work. So now the next important thing in this topic. Implementing such measures will help in the realization of the dream of making India a country where opportunities to go will be abundant for all and where there will be no and inequality of any kind. Our country still has a long way to go before completely curbing problems like unemployment and rural economic distress for which more socio-economic changes are needed. So now the next important topic in this chapter, critical estimate of directive principles. क्या है critical estimate? Critical estimate. The directive principles are categorized on the following grounds. So first है आपका directive principles are not properly classified into specific categories such as the social, the economic justice, environment, legal aid and the international peace. Next, these provisions are not enforceable by any court of law in the country, in our country. If the state does not provide any assistance to people who are unemployed, no legal remedy is available to them. So some of the directive principles may come into a conflict with our fundamental rights importance. So lots of the importance are in this chapter. They tell us about our primary objectives, which are social and economic justice, education to children and improvement of the public health. Next time, our democracy is not only an act of voting in an election. Directive principles strengthen economic aspects of a democracy. They safeguard people from poverty and satisfy their basic needs. In a democracy, the government keep on changing whichever party comes to power. It should try to implement these principles. It is wrong to say that there is no force or legal authority behind these principles. In a democracy, the voters judge the success of the government in the background of those directives. They may refuse to vote for a party which failed to implement and desired welfare. So class, On today, on tomorrow, I will provide you the exercises. So thank you.